It's easy to think Chainsaw Man's strength lies in his chainsaw power, but Denji's real strength is resilience. After losing everything, he's still fighting, just like you. Not for glory, but for simple pleasure, like food and friends. Sometimes the simplest things matter the most. In a way, Chainsaw Man shows us that sometimes surviving and finding joy in the little things is the greatest victory, which if you want to do that, I do offer coaching. It's a gritty but oddly inspiring reminder that even in the darkest of worlds, small dreams are worth fighting for.